Hello crafters, welcome to today's video, today's Christmas video. This is Craftmas cards with Maymay stamps. I'm going to be using the Holly in Hills and the Sleigh Rides stamp sets. Now these are Maymay's larger stamp sets, they're 8x10. I'm going to be just using the Merry Christmases from them because I love this little Merry Christmas and I love the design of this one. This particular stamp set, I wanted to challenge myself to use a paper pad. Now this is a paper pad that I got from Maymay a couple of years ago. It's very Merry Christmas and it's black, white and red, so very Maymay colours, and I wanted to just create cards that are really simple to mass produce, ones that wouldn't take a long time to do. I have got a stack of pre-made card bases which I got from a UK seller, was selling somewhere from a craft stash, and I got them from her. I'll put the size. I think they're very similar to A2. So I've taken out my papers. I've already pre-cut all my papers. I've cut out all my inserts. So as you can see, I've got my inserts here. I've got two different shapes. So these ones will lay on top of these with the sentiment on. So I've got that. I've got my card inserts done, and they measure 4.5 by 5. And then I have this shape here using another ornate die. Okay, and then I have the inserts for that. So I've got all that pre-done. So I'm just going to crack on and make some cards, and let's see how long this takes. I've got my Misty because I think as I'm going to be stamping repeatedly the same thing, I thought it'd be easier to use my Misty. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my insert on my card bases. So I'm just going to play some festive music over the top, and then I'll speed up the repetitive parts. So these bits here where I'm just doing the same thing over and over again, I will speed those up but not too fast, and then at the end I will tell you the total amount of time it's taken. Okay, so that's my card bases done. Now I need to stamp my sentiment. So like I said, I'm going to use my Misty because obviously I'm stamping the same sentiment on multiple pieces of the same card. So I'm going to use the VersaFine. Okay, so on some of those ones there, I must have had ink on my finger and I've smudged them, so I am going to add a bit of inking around the edges just to disguise the smudges. But obviously if you haven't done that, I want to make this as simple, just really quick and easy ones to mass produce. So I'm going to add these, but the ones where I've smudged, I am going to add a bit of inking to them. So I'm just using some foam tape, and I get this foam tape from Hobbycraft here in the UK. It's one of my favourites actually. I'll leave a link for it below. Do some inking on that one. Probably some red inking, or I am not going to decide on what colour ink I'm going to use until I know what the card base is going on. So that one, and that one I need to do a bit of inking. And this one I need to do inking. Don't I have a back for this one? Oh, looks like I've miscalculated my back inserts, crafters. So I'll have to go back to that one. Okay. Okay. Just going to ink around the edges here to this may detract from the card, but as I've made a smudge there, I want to disguise that. again, this may not work out, but we'll soon find out. So let me just ink this as well. I'm not sure what colour base I'm going to put that one on yet, so I don't want to ink those. One thing I do want to do though, crafters, is making sure that I don't put the same designs on. So I don't want the same backing as the insert. So that one works. So what I'm going to try and do is find that paper, if I have one with that paper. Do I have one with that paper? Yes. So then I need to find one that has got that paper design, which is that one. So those two will be together. Okay. So we'll go for that one and that. So I need to do red around that, I think. Should I do a red around that one, crafters, or should I do a grey? No, I think I'll do a grey. I think I will do Metro Grey. I think that's what I'll use. I'll use the Metro Grey. Okay, let's glue these down. Okay, crafters, so that's them all done. I really wanted to try and get as many out here and really do a simple card, because if you get closer, as we get closer to Christmas, I know we're miles away from Christmas at the moment. I mean, we're only in March, but I know that, you know, the closer we get to Christmas, it gets so manic, and these are so simple. I mean, I am currently at, and I can't see because my camera's up too far, so I need to get my little step stool. So we are currently at 19 minutes and 7 seconds, so less than 20 minutes, and there was probably about, what, 5 minutes prep time, so let's say half an hour worth of time, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then that one where I've just left off the insert, so that's 10 cards in 20 minutes. So that isn't bad at all, and if I wanted to, I could just simply put that down straight on. What I would do with this, I would add some green so it pops better. So yes, I forgot to do the back insert for this, but hey ho, I'm not going to let that worry me. There we go, 10 cards in half an hour, so 30 minutes. So that's not bad going, is it? So this is really quick and simple, easy way to grab an old paper pad that you need to use, grab your favourite Maymay stamp, Merry Christmas sentiment, and you can create some really simple and nice cards. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.